Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and turn on my post notifications so you get notified when I upload. Today I am doing a Black Friday / Cyber Monday haul. I didn't go Black Friday shopping this year because I felt so sick on that day. I had a really bad headache all day long, and yeah, that was a bad day. But staying at home didn't stop me from shopping online. I remember waking up in the morning on Cyber Monday and I got so many emails about the deals and text messages from my best friend, just all about the deals. Let's start with what I got from Target. Target had a pretty good deal. It was 15% off on certain categories. I'm gonna start with the biggest thing I got from Target. It's big. It's a toaster oven from Black & Decker. This one was on sale for, I don't remember if it's 15% off on top of it or it was just on sale. But yeah, this was a good deal, and this is actually the third one I got. I got one for my best friend when she moved. I got another one for my boyfriend when he moved. Now I'm getting one for myself because I feel like the one I have right now, it's about to break. But yeah. Should I open this? I feel like the picture shows it all. It's a pretty decent size, and it doesn't make a loud noise when it's done. The one I have right now, like, really loud, and I can't really stand that noise. I also got two PlayStation 4 controllers for my little brother because he recently got a PlayStation 4 PS4, and it only came with one controller. Originally $59.99 for one. It was on sale for $39.99 and 15% on top of $39.99. And I have the Target Red card, the Target credit card, which is another 5%. So for Target Red card, which is what I have is the credit card. They have debit card too. I'm not sure how debit card works, but for the credit card, you get 5% off for everything you get from Target, and you have 60 days to return your things if you need to instead of 30 days. Most importantly, you get free shipping all the time at target.com. So yeah, this video is not sponsored by Target or anyone. I just really like Target. So yeah, I got the two controllers for $69. SD card for my camera. I already took it out. It was on sale. It was not, I don't remember how much this was, but this wasn't very expensive to begin with. And I got some t-shirts. I believe the t-shirts were buy one, get one 50% off. So just some basic t-shirts from the men's section. This is actually for my boyfriend and my brother. So yeah. And I think that's all I got from Target. Macy's had a pretty good sale too, at least for the things that I was looking for. I got a pair of riding boots from Tommy Hilfiger. This box is huge, literally bigger than my body. So this is how they look. I am not sure how they would fit me when it comes to boots. I just don't want the calf part, this part, to be very big because I am just a small person and I want it to be like fitting just right around my calf, not like boom, like, I don't know, I just feel like that wouldn't look good. So I'll have to try this on and see, but this is beautiful. Like, look at the detailings. I really like that color. You're my pixie Bershie. You're my pixie Bershie. For MAC Cosmetics, they had 25% off on everything for select members. So you have to basically be on their email list in order to receive this email, and you have to sign in order to purchase and have that deal. I didn't get a lot from here. I got 2 lipsticks, Mocha and Velvet Teddy. I lost my Mocha lipstick after I found my favorite lipstick video. So it was really sad. So I got another one. I also got Velvet Teddy. It's a very popular color. So I just really wanted to try it for myself. This is not mine. This is for my friend. She ordered with me. This is hers. This is not mine. This is an eyeshadow. It's pretty actually. It's what is this called? It's in the shade Expensive Pink. Expensive Pink. From Sephora, they had 15% off for Beauty Insider. So I got a SK2 facial treatment essence for my mom. When I lost my Mocha lipstick from MAC, I also lost this one. This is a lip balm from Sugar. I would say it's kind of pricey for a lip balm, but something about it, I really like it. It's very moisturizing, and I like the color a lot. It looks very natural when I have it on. Also, this has SPF 15, which is always a plus. You guys, so the postman came while I'm filming this. So I got more stuff. I still haven't received some of the stuff I ordered. So this is how they look like. I think it's super cute. I really like how they can tie in the front like this. Cute packaging. This is a struggle. I got this little thing from Too Faced. My cat is curious. Hi! Pixie, you're curious. You're so curious. She's so curious. You're so cute. You can stay here. And also this one. I'm not sure if I got this one or it just came with the order. I'm very confused. This is just like the samples. So this is what's in it. We can do a swatch. That's a nice color. And let me swatch this little cute lipstick. So cute. I like it when they have this mini size because I feel like I never really finish any lipstick anyway. I don't need that big. And this is so cute. This is actually, ooh, it's very moisturizing. I like the lipstick that's very moisturizing because it just doesn't feel good when it's dried out, when your lips are dried out. And there's a makeup bag. I don't know. I feel like this just came with the order. Too Faced. You're like really pretty. This one is from Bath and Body Works. This is heavy. Probably the biggest purchase I made during Cyber Monday. Bath and Body Works had such a good sale on Cyber Monday. I spent more than $100 on this order, but it's just too stuck up because that's what you gotta do when it's on sale. I got so many lotions. This is my favorite lotion from Bath and Body Works, and they were originally $13.50 each. I cannot believe they were on sale for $5 each on Cyber Monday. And it was only, I woke up in the morning, I saw that, and it says like it ends around noon or something. So like if you didn't wake up early, you would have missed it. So I got like 10 of them. These lotions smell so good. It has like a very relaxing smell, and it doesn't give you a headache. Also, I got a lot of fragrance refills. It's really cool that the refill has exactly the same scent. A lot of cherry blossom, twilight woods, a lot of repeating ones. I got an owl, a change of location. So I got 2 necklaces from Macy's. They're both rose gold with the pearls. Next, I got a necklace from K-Spade. This is so pretty. Ooh, they changed their bag. This is the dust bag for your necklace. And every time you purchase a necklace or jewelry from K-Spade, they always give you a little bag, a little pouch. For the past couple years, it has always been a dark brown one, and it has like gold K-Spade on it. And this is the first time I'm seeing this white one, which is cute. It's nice to have a change. So this is what I got. It's so cute. It looks like 2 dogs like facing each other. And I was also born the year of dog, so I think it's perfect. It's hard. This is such a cute package. So this is what I got. This is the blush and highlighter, and with the cute little lipstick. Oh my god, this is so cute. The t-shirt in here is flamingo and pineapple. I love flamingo. It's so cute. It's the cutest bird. The lipstick is so cute. It has so many flamingos on it. This is so cute. I'll do a swatch. This is the swatch. Then back to this. And I also got another set. Oh, this is the set for the blush in the shade Exposed. Also the lip tint in Exposed. This is the swatch for the lip tint, and I think it's beautiful. This is the blush, but it's kind of hard to see on camera. And I also got something from Riley Rose. I got this home decor. This is so cute. I love this little stand. Let me see if I can put it here. That's so cute. And I also got a duster. This is so random. So it's nothing. Ooh! I can extend this, and it became so long. This is so random. Like, I don't know why. I just thought it was useful. Oh my god! And you can. Oh, you can band it like this. This is nice. I love it. I love it. This is very useful. I'm gonna be using this a lot. It's a extendable duster, removable cover for easy washing. Oh my goodness, you can remove this green thing. This is good. I have to figure out how to remove this. You probably just like take it out like that, but this is awesome. A cabinet full of my collection of mugs at home. So this is how it looks. I can't adult today. Actually, I'm gonna give this to my friend. Jean, if you're watching, this is for you. Less Monday, more coffee. This one says, let the good vibes roll. I think it's super cute. Look at this. It's super cute. It's holographic. I have decided to give out my Sushi Dragon shirt. I will put the picture right here. And if you want to enter, be sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and comment Sushi Dragon in the comment section. I will pick a winner and announce it on my Instagram story. So this is all I got, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumb up if you did. Also, comment cat down below if you make it this far. So I know you made it into this far. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.